Hey folks, honesty is an expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap persons. Said by Warren Buffett. We all know about stocks. Do you know about bonds? Generally, the bonds are fixed income securities and debt instruments which represent the loan made by the investors to borrowers. As like equity, like the companies were raising the capital from public by issuing the shares to public or investors. Generally, this is a shares in share market. Like the bonds also issued by the company or governments to raise or grow their businesses, or they want to make an investment in a profitable projects, or they want to hiring people, or they want to do research and development. For these purposes they were issuing bonds to raise the capital from investors. So here like they won't get capital appreciations or dividend from company. They will get fixed return in the form of interest payment. Like the banks were giving loans to public, they were getting a interest payments. Like that, the bonds are issued by company. By issuing bonds, they will get money from public. By getting that, they have to pay certain percentage of interest. The interest is called coupon rate, and the company need to pay some coupon rate to investors. For example, we take the companies issuing a bond of to raise a capital. The individual bond face value is $1,000, and they were issuing a coupon rate of 5%. It is annually for next 5 years. Generally, the bonds were giving a coupon rate 5%. See, annually. So the investors will get coupon rate annually. See, $1,000, 5%. See, $50 every year. The bond holder who is an investor, he will get fixed coupon rate of 5% to investors, to company. After the maturity date, after the 5 years, the investor need to submit that bond to company, so that he would get that principal amount, that face value of $1,000. This is generally the process of bonds. And these bonds are classified as short term bond, medium term bond, long term bonds. The bonds which are issued for 1 to 5 years, this is short term bonds. The bonds which are issued for 5 to 15 years, this is short term bonds. And the bonds which are issued for 15 to 30 years, these are long term bonds. Furthermore, if you want to know more on these topics about bonds and equities and stock market and financial market, just smash the subscribe button and like this video and share to your friends. Thank you.